Welcome back, everybody. I'm at the Logan River Golf Club in Logan, Utah. It's the Blackstone Employee Golf Scramble, cooking up all kinds of dogs and sausages. Been a very cold couple of days, 39 to 45 degrees with some showers, a little bit of snow, but today, my goodness, mountains looking beautiful in every direction. Come on. That's why I left Pennsylvania and moved to the Rockies 26 years ago. This is my setup so far. So we have beef smoked sausages, we have beef hot dogs, and we have a Cajun sausage, onion sauteed for the hot dogs, peppers, onions, and whatnot here for the Cajun sausage. We have some peppers and onions over here with barbecue sauce for the beef sausage, a little bit of Cajun seasoning. Just got stung by a bee on the inside of my bicep. I don't know if you can see that or not. Over the mountains. Ow, oh my goodness, it kills. You know me, I'm all about the Sam's Club white hoagie rolls. Only way to go for sausage sandwiches. And of course, we've got the Franz hot dog buns. Pepper onion mixture here with Cajun seasoning, a little bit of mayo. Basically making a little instant sauce. Spicy Cajuns. Beautiful spicy Cajun dog, onions and mushrooms, a little bit of mayo, some Cajun seasoning in there.
Some people talk about bring up the big dogs. We just did the spicy dog on the money.
Salt Lake City Airport. Great time in Logan. Did a bunch of stuff. Had Griddle More tour meetings, and I did 2 Griddle 101 classes for new employees and people that have been there for a while at Blackstone. That was a blast. And we finished up there at the golf course with the employee golf scramble, cooking sausages and hot dogs. So thanks for watching, everybody. Until next time, this is Todd. Praise the Lord. Pass the food.